everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're not down at the allotment, we're out in my garden. I wanted to get it done for a long time, but through illness and everything, and then the allotment, I needed to get things going up there. Then the garden's just got out of hand. As you can see, let my cameraman do a pan zoom slowly so you can see what's going on. Got all these pots what I had potatoes in last year, growing up weeds and everything. All these other pots over here, growing up weeds. That bush in the corner over here is the one what keeps coming up every year. Every year I chop it down and it still comes back. I don't know why. I've got a old grapevine there what I chopped down and that sprung back up. And so that's got to come down. All these pots have got weeds in it. This is a plant what comes up every year, so it's sprung back up. I've still got a few volunteer pansies what come up from last year, the irises. I might find a few other things what come up from last year. All these pots, and then this side of the garden is just a nightmare. So got another rosemary bush over there what's growing up as well. I've got a few different things what I've got to just check and weed out. So getting on my gloves, and we're gonna just make a start. See behind my I've got two pairs, desert one and a conference pear. You can see how much pears is on it. And then behind that one, the tall one is a plum tree what I was meant to prune. I don't, only when I get nearer to it I can see if there's any plums on there. We didn't get none last year, and I don't think we're going to get any this year, so if anything I'm going to hard prune that back if anything ain't on them. These trees have been here for years and years, giving off fruit, so they need pruning. This one's covered in and this one you can see down here covered in conference pears. I think it's only just that one branch, and I see a few other branches with some, but they all need hard pruning. And then the general garden itself needs a good tidying up. So we're going to get on with this. Then once we've made a little bit of progress, then I'll get back to you. Right everybody, so we've got most of the weeds up, just leaving all these strawberry plants. These have been here for years, and every year they come up and spread out. I wanted to dig them all up, but then I ain't got nowhere to put them, so I have to, well, they're going to have to come up anyway because I need the space. I've got strawberry tower there, I've got strawberries from the allotment as well, what came off of all this stuff. And you can see it spread and gone everywhere. I've got some up here behind here what you can't see on the camera. But we'll get rid of it. I don't know what to do with them. If I had pots or something, then I would have potted them up and then taken them down the allotment and see if anybody wants them down there. But there's quite big and established now, so I don't know. I want to get some other stuff in here as well, so we'll see how it goes. Right, I'm going to start digging and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got this area dug up, and what I'm doing now, I'm just putting some of this well-rotted manure on top, about an inch thick. Always bring some down from the allotment. So this has been out here from last year, what was left over. As you can see, we've made a bit of progress. We've weeded up some of these big pots. You can see they're still full. Gonna get the dirt and sift that through so I can put my sweet potatoes in those. Behind you can see how much strawberries, a big tray full of strawberries what was running. I've still got a few left in down here, but they had to come out because they were just in the way of me planting stuff. I've started over that side. Done a few pots. Tomorrow now, if the weather's all right, because it looks like it's going to rain, just need a couple of dry days, then I'll get over into that corner and then finish off down there. It's just the pots and things to move around and pile up, and then we're good to go. So I know it's not a very long video, not a very interesting one, but we're just getting on with what we're doing, and hopefully we can get some plants in another couple of weeks. On the car front now, the car's still down, so can't get to the allotment. What I had to do is leave one of the windows open. When I got down there yesterday, the temperature was on 52, which is quite high. So I left one of the windows open, went down to 35, which is still not ideal, but it's okay for the plants what's in there. So I'll be sorting that out soon. Maybe leaving the two windows open, but I want to put a screen at the front or something to stop birds and butterflies going in there, because that's what I don't want. So more or less we're just getting there. My back is totally done for now, bending up and down, and then at the allotment yesterday as well, just watering. I didn't film that, just watering. So once we tidy up these and get all these pots sorted out, then I'll got pots for my sweet potatoes. I've still got some slips. If anybody wants any, well, I've only got 3 lots of each, which is a soft skin and a Jamaica purple. I've got them on eBay, so those are it. I've still got some pumpkin seeds. I'm not even sure if I'm going to get any. I had to order some more seeds because I don't know why my ones won't grow for some reason. But we'll get on with it, and then we'll see how the season goes. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on there. If there's anything that you want to ask me, feel free to ask. We do get back on the comments. We read all the comments. It's for our benefits, and everybody who's asking questions, it's for their benefit as well. So hopefully we'll get there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.